Nice deck, babe.
Deck. What are we going down to, darling?
I'm doing 20 and you're doing the rest.
Cape Palmy. What a glorious day. This place owes me a good day. G'day. Me and Shell have decided to get away for just an overnighter down here at Cape Palmerston. Say hello, Dar.
Hello, Dal.
We did have plans to get the camper trailer out and head up around a private property near Conway Beach, which is up near Airlie. But unfortunately that's fallen through because I've got a basketball grand final tomorrow.
Woo!
So rather than sit around at home waiting for that to roll around at 6 o'clock tomorrow night, I had to get out of the house. And we had the long weekend booked in for months, and so anyway, decided to just come down here to Cape Palmy, which quite possibly could be our last swag trip though, as we've got a bit of a lightweight setup we're going to swap into once we can get some sleeping mats sorted, which, you know, like everything else, they're out of stock at the moment, so we've got to wait for that. We're just down here at beautiful Windmill Bay at the moment, and there's this mint camp spot. It's absolutely perfect right here on the water. Be excellent for some fishing, but yeah, these couple of little hills here, I dare say, get frequented by lads in their four-wheel drive, so we might steer clear of that, and we'll keep going up and have a look around. Got absolutely corker day going on. Yeah, we'll drive around the whole place and we'll figure out where we'd like to camp. As I said, this place owes me a good day. Last time I was here, it wasn't too pleasant, but yeah, absolutely beautiful today. The water's in excellent condition. It's crystal clear. Michelle's actually grabbed me a cast net, haven't you, Dale? So yeah, that comes after just the other day. Aaron offered me his one that he doesn't use anymore, and then I hadn't communicated that to Michelle yet, and she comes home with a new one. So anyway, I might end up with two, who knows? But yes, might do a bit of fishing, but I've also gone and stopped in at Mr. Meatco and got some magical Meatco beef ribs. Already marinated in some of his special recipes, so yeah, I'll probably aim to pull up about 3 o'clock, about 3 in the arvo at the absolute latest, get a fire cranking, and yeah, get them on and hopefully have some beef ribs in the camp oven. So this is for I think Dave O'Salisbury. He was pretty interested in me doing some beef ribs in the camp oven, so it'll be all on the fire, big man, and yeah, I'll sort that out for you. Hopefully they turn out alright, but I've pretty much got them down pat at home.
We've got no backup either.
No, we don't. As I said, beautiful day. And we'll go drive around the place and try to hunt out the best spot to pitch a tent or throw our swags out there.
Last trip in them.
Last trip in the swags, probably. But anyway, it's for a good cause. I think we save our lightweight setup, takes probably 40 kilos out.
Easy.
40 kilos out of weight. So anyway, that's a win, I reckon, because I'm getting a bit obsessed with weight reduction at the moment. Couldn't tell. Anyway, on with the show. bloody tyres still scrape a fair bit when you're when the old Luxie's flexing. I've cut so much out of those inner guards trying to sort that out, but haven't been able to successfully sort it. But anyway, I'll go back in with some more cutty and see what goes on. I don't know what this little bay is called, but it's the one up from Windmill Bay. There's a few campgrounds up in here, so I'll have a look. How's that done? So good. Back on the Mr. Meatco biltong. Haven't had it for a while.
I don't normally eat it.
Man, absolutely beautiful. How good is this bloody view as well? That water is so bloody clear. Righto, Dale. This is where I got smashed last time, and I was naked in the middle of the night trying to fix everything. So I figure it's such a nice day, it owes me some redemption. It owes me a good time, Dale.
Why are you looking at me for that?
Do you want to have a good time too?
Yeah, baby.
So yeah, we were contemplating going back around the other side, but it's just a nice breeze here. It's not too windy. Absolutely beautiful day. Just can't even get over how good it is. High tides in probably, low tides probably in about another half hour, 40 minutes. So might get it somewhat set up though, and worry about beds and shit later.
Yeah, I think sunset bar will be over there.
Yeah, the sun, we'll just check the app. Sun should set right there. So we should be able to just walk out and see it, and walk out there and see it. But hopefully we're in for a good one. Little wispy clouds everywhere. Should be pretty good. So I have to get that fire on and get that Mr. Meatco's ribs in there, babe. And that's dinner, eh?
Yep.
Just meat. Just bulk meat for dinner, duh.
I've got salad.
Shan't be a salad with beef ribs. Anyway. So yeah, that's us. Pretty good spot here. And we'll get to setting up and enjoy the afternoon. First things first, Dale. Sandwich.
Oh, I thought you were going to say rumby.
Rumby. Michelle was in Bundy this past week. Got me this beautiful thing from the distillery. Small batch distillery edition. And it's bloody beautiful. Cheers. A little bit of wood hanging around. Got the bag of wood from Bunnings as well. We'll just get that going, get some coals going for the camp oven. A couple of people noticed in my last video with Glenn, but I was sporting a new chair, and some people know that I'm pretty, what's that word? I'm pretty passionate about my chair. But anyway, with the latest weight reduction scheme, I've purchased one of these things. So yeah, I've had it now for a couple of months, used it a few times. It's very lightweight. I think it only weighs, I don't know, what was it done? Not even 1 kilo, I don't think. Well, it's 1.4, I think. About 1.4, anyway. Bloody lightweight chair. Only thing, it's got these dicky little poles. You gotta remember how to get back in nice and neat so it fits inside the bag. But anyway, I'm pretty on top of it. You just gotta smash it together, really. Yeah, these dicky, just like tent poles. Got that elastic ropey stuff in it. Whatever that's called, though. You might know. I don't. Elastic ropey stuff. And you just find the basic structure of the chair. They all kind of slip into place. Michelle's going to get one of these. Hey, Dar.
Probably not.
When I first saw one, Jono had one. And I thought that's pretty good, but I didn't think they'd make one to hold a frame like mine. But this one does. This just slips over. It's got these, I don't know what you call them.
Sleeves.
Sleeves, that's it. Double the stitching on it. And you slide them in. A bit hard to get on those bottom ones because it's tension. But if you've got any sort of like muscles about you, you should find it no troubles. There you go. 1.4 kilo chair.
How's it going to go on the sand?
Yeah, should be right. I had it that one time in the sand. It just digs in because of the feet. Those little knuckle things, whatever you want to call them. Buggers me what they call them. But they just dig in, and then yeah, you can't go in any further.
I'll take a load off and show us what you look like in it.
Right. Paired with a rumby, goes pretty well. Oh. And it's surprisingly comfortable, and you can flange in it. It does have a little holder for your stubble area. So yeah, you're pretty well made up. Just down the water, even with your fishing rod, just sit here, have an esky here. You pretty much don't need to get up unless you're on.
That chair's flexing like the Luxie bag.
It's supposed to, though. It's got a weight limit of like 130, 140, it's 130. So I'm well and truly under that, though.
You're scraping in.
No, I'm weighing in about 118 last time I checked, so I've got 12 kilos to spare. So I can have quite a few cans in my lap, though.
You can.
Or a big fish, one or two. Righto. Let's give it a good coating of oil. Some beef stock. Might need to top it up with some water, but I've got two. Here we go. Beef short rib, Texan double smoke and barbecue plum marinade. He's also hooked me up with some extra rub. So that's what we're doing. Just make sure it all goes in there. You beauty. Squeeze all that goodness out. Alright, everything's going pretty good. The ribs are in. So I'll whack the lid on that. Let's get this thing on. Alright, dinner's on. Now we're off down the water. Tried to get some bait. We had to go at the cast net, didn't we, Dar?
Not very successfully. However, we have service and I've now YouTubed it and we're going to be good in about an hour.
Yep. Yeah, she's a bit ordinary. We were both, well, it was pretty much amateur hour.
Better.
You did, though.
100%.
You had one fluky throw. What?
What are you doing?
Having a rumby, Dale. Just having a rumby on my deck.
So where'd you find your deck?
I thought you'd like that, Dale.
Huh?
I thought you'd like that.
Is there room for two?
No, it's my deck.
I'm impressed.
Yeah, well, this deck's going to cook your dinner too because I'm just burning it. But it's my deck for the moment. So I just need to check on this meat now. It's been going now for about probably even closer to 4 hours. Oh my God. That's going real well. Anyway, update on the chair. So yeah, I've had it for a few months now, but just sitting around on it in the sand. This rod's bent. So, oh, there you go. There's the rating capacity there, 130 kilos. And as I said, I'm 118. Last time I jumped on the scales a couple of weeks ago. And that there's bent. So yeah, not too happy. Bugger this. Well, I'll go get the cast net and have a crack. All right, cast net, round 2. I got a lot of practice to do. That was actually not too bad. Yeah, well, might try again in the morning. We'll be up pretty early because that sun will be coming right over that point there. And I plan on sleeping with no fly on my swag. So let's get to that magical time of afternoon now. Might fly the drone a little bit and just bloody enjoy. Better do some adulting and set up my swag. Catch up with Michelle. Michelle's already set hers up. Be a bit sad to let this thing go because I reckon she's a good bit of kit. Because these things, mine alone weighs about 20 kilos, and I've got this great bag with it. So yeah, a bit of a shame to see it go, and then Michelle's over there is already set up. But yeah, the good old jet bunker, the Oz tent jet bunker, or jet tent, whatever it is. Yeah, this will probably be the last time I roll with it. That's me all set up in my old jet bunker. It's been a bloody good swag, that one. And I'm pretty confident tonight I'm not gonna put the fly on. Ribs are going absolutely beautiful. I can smell them now. They're just absolutely just playing games with me at the moment. The prison light. Prison light activated. Well, it's that time of night. That's been on there for quite some time. Didn't end up using the snow peak, but it's worked out brilliantly as a little bench for it. Beef ribs! Oh, that looks sensational, hey?
That's not good. Okay. You can do it.
Alright, well, I'm not too sure. This is a lot of meat actually. Look at that. Oh, Dave Salisbury.
Whoa.
Dave McCormick. Oh my god.
That's like pulled ribs.
Get on that now. Oh, look at that, it's just off. Oh my god.
Good?
Oh. That's incredible.
Well, let's eat.
Bloody oath. Manya manya. So bloody good, eh? That's just like, yeah, pretty much just pulled beef. We could have taken them out an hour ago, but Jesus Christ. So good.
Enjoying the view?
It's like hellhole though. It's not every day you get to look out at the ocean and wash your balls at the same time. Or your boobies.
Magic spot.
Absolutely. Just don't get a tackle in there, though. Righto, Cape Palmerston done, though.
Yes, beautiful, and it didn't rain.
Didn't rain, but looks like it might today.
Yeah.
She's starting to stir up a bit of wind. But anyway, just an overnighter. It was pretty good, eh?
Beautiful spot.
No fish, not even in the cast net. I got pretty excited because I had the cast net and thought I was going to be onto it, but nah. But anyway, I don't even think there's anything out there. But anyway.
They were jumping.
Yeah, they were jumping, just not in my net or on my rod. So anyway, the end.
Yep. Midgies. Be prepared for midgies.
Midgies everywhere. Michelle got absolutely smashed. Anyway, catch us next time.